the previous video, and I've got another loaf of bread, and here I am feeding them, and let's see if they come to me. Here you go, buddy. Want some? I'm sitting down, if you can see. And here they all come. Want some? Here you go. Oh, here they all come. Here you go. I like how gently they take it. Want some? Oh, he fucking bit my finger. Want some? So, we've got to get all these bellies fed. Want some? Anyone? Want some? Shit, that wind. Wait. So, as you can see, I'm sitting down and they're just coming to me. This is really weird. Hey, you back off. Yeah. You want some? Well, there they all go. Let's see if I can go up to them and give them some bread. These ones haven't had none yet. So let's go. Anyone? They're fighting. Want some? I won't break it because I need to get a lot fed. This guy, wow. Want some? No, I already fed you. You can have some too. Hey, fuck off. Here. Let's see what happens if I throw some bread out. Oh god. Let's see if we can sit down and get some more fed. Anyone? Want some? Some bread? You want some? Don't bite my finger. Oh my god. This is really, oh wow. This is going straight on fucking Facebook. Look at these guys. I'm just staring. Jesus, lean back. You want some? Oh fucking hell. Yeah, you have some? Dumbass. I've only got a tiny, oh shit. I'll throw that out to him. Break this thing off. I've fed like every single one, but it just came back for spares. Jesus. Wow. That is a lot of cockatoos. I've never seen that much in my front yard. I don't want this one to bite me, so I'm just gonna gently. Ah! He bit me. Charlie, he bit me. That's a pretty mint car. They're up in the power lines, up in the trees. Who should I feed now? I've already fed you, so you can go away. See if I can get this little guy fed. One's up. I guess. Oh. Look at more just staring at the bread. Okay, buddy. There we go. Alright, so my Facebook recording is finished. So yeah, the whole fence full of cockatoos. They're on the power line. There we go. Yeah. So peace out.